Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your username in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the messages menu. We can either swipe right or tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Here in this list we tap on settings, and in the settings menu in the top there's this username little button in the account section. We tap on it, and here we can set our username that we would like to display in the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.